Hi, this is a short video describing the XL wireless Intel switch. It's a nice little accessory for the XL system. What it is a wireless switch that you plug into any 13 amp socket and then plug any normal household lamp, radio, any accessory into it. It actually doesn't learn to the receiver, whereas everything else with the XL system works from the receiver. On this occasion we don't need the receiver. We learn particular accessories, PIRs, door contacts, vibration sensors, all of them into this Intel switch. So the Intel switch is actually a receiver. First thing we have to do is turn the Intel switch over and you will see a 3-position switch. This will choose how you want the Intel switch to work. In number 1 setting to the far left, it simply gives you an on-off. So if you've got a radio plugged into the switch, it will turn on when it's activated and remain on until it's activated again. Number 2 switch in the middle is the most popular. It turns the system on for 3 minutes, so it allows lamps, radios, etc. to automatically turn on for a 3-minute period. The 3rd position, number 3 to the far right, gives you a 3-minute flashing output. So if you put a lamp into the front of the Intel switch, it would flash for 3 minutes. So once you've selected what position you want it to work into, you put it into a 13 amp socket, and on the left hand side there is a learn button, and we're now going to program a door contact to the Intel switch. So we press the, if I turn it this way, we press and hold the learn button on the side of the Intel switch. The red light here will flash and continue to flash until you activate a detector. So whilst it's flashing, activate a detector, the light goes out on the Intel switch, and that's now learnt. If you then want to learn another accessory to the Intel switch, you go through the same routine. You choose which method you want it to work in, 1, 2 or 3. You put it back in to a wall socket, you get a new accessory, you press and hold the learn button and trigger that accessory. You can have up to 8 different detectors working in 3 different ways with this Intel switch. But one word of warning: when you are learning the Intel switch to a detector, make sure that no one is walking past and a PIR that you've forgotten that's already working, because you could end up learning a PIR to the Intel switch without knowing. That's the simple Intel switch.